Starting a business and making it profitable requires careful planning, dedication, and flexibility. Here are 10 essential steps to help you on your journey towards profitability. Market research and validation. Understand your target market, customer needs, and preferences. Validate your business idea to ensure there is sufficient demand for your product or service. Solid business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, operational plans, and financial projections. It will serve as a roadmap for your business. Focus on your unique selling proposition. USP. Differentiate your business from competitors by offering a unique product, service, or value proposition that sets you apart in the market. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial. Create a professional website, engage in social media marketing, and consider using e-commerce platforms if applicable. Effective marketing and advertising. Develop a well-thought-out marketing strategy that includes both online and offline tactics. Utilize social media marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Customer focus and exceptional service. Put your customers first and strive to provide excellent customer service. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your business to others. Monitor finances closely. Keep a close eye on your finances from the beginning. Track expenses, manage cash flow, and regularly review financial reports to identify areas where you can cut costs and improve revenue. Effective pricing strategy. Price your products or services competitively while ensuring you still generate a profit. Consider factors such as production costs, market demand, and perceived value. Continuous improvement and adaptability. Stay open to feedback and continuously improve your products, services, and operations. Be adaptable to changes in the market and customer needs. Network and collaborate. Build strong relationships within your industry and network. Collaborate with other businesses, attend industry events, and join relevant associations to gain exposure and potential partnerships. Remember that building a profitable business takes time, effort, and persistence. Stay committed to your goals and be willing to adjust your strategies as you learn and grow. Also, seek advice from experienced entrepreneurs or mentors who can provide valuable insights and support along the way. Don't forget that this was the first part of an 11-series video. Check out the next video to learn more about market research and validation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified.